Hey friends! Have you ever wanted to put on your very own puppet show? Imagine the spotlight, the audience, and the magic you can create with just a few simple materials. Today, I'm going to show you how to make amazing sock puppets and put on a mini puppet show right at home. Get ready to unleash your creativity and bring your stories to life. It's super fun, and you only need a few things to get started. We're talking about a project that's not only entertaining, but also a fantastic way to boost your imagination and storytelling skills. First, grab a clean sock. This will be the body of your puppet, so choose wisely. Any old sock will do. Whether it's striped, polka dotted, or just plain, each sock has the potential to become a unique character. Next, find some things to make your puppet's face. This is where your creativity can really shine. Gather anything that sparks your imagination. You can use buttons for eyes, a pom-pom for a nose, and yarn or string for hair. Think about what kind of personality you want your puppet to have, and let that guide your choices. If you don't have those, just draw a face with markers. A simple drawn face can be just as expressive and charming. Now let's glue or sew the eyes onto the sock. Make sure they're securely attached so your puppet can see the world. Remember, if you're using glue or scissors, always ask an adult for help. Safety first, always. We want to make sure everyone has a fun and safe crafting experience. Stick on your puppet's nose and then add some crazy hair. The wilder, the better. Give your puppet a hairstyle that reflects its unique personality. You can even draw on a big silly mouth. A smile, a frown, or a quirky expression. The choice is yours. Once your puppet looks just right, slide your hand inside. Feel the magic as your puppet comes to life. Move your fingers and make your puppet talk. What will your puppet say? What stories does it want to tell? Give your puppet a funny voice or even a silly laugh. Experiment with different sounds and accents to create a truly memorable character. Now let's set up our puppet theater. Every great performance needs a stage. You can use a big cardboard box or even just hide behind your couch. The possibilities are endless. A blanket fort, a doorway, anything can become a stage. I like to decorate my theater with drawings and stickers. Make it colorful, make it exciting, make it your own. All right, it's showtime. The moment you've been waiting for, make up a story for your puppet. What adventures will your puppet embark on? Maybe your sock puppet is a superhero, or maybe it loves to sing songs. Let your puppet's talents shine. You can invite your family to watch and even make more puppets for a whole puppet crew. The more the merrier. Create a whole cast of characters for your puppet show. Here's a quick story idea. My puppet loves pizza, but oh no. What could be worse than a puppet without pizza? He lost his favorite slice. A tragedy. Time to go on a pizza adventure? The quest begins, see? Super simple, super fun, and endlessly entertaining. Remember, your puppet show can be anything you imagine. There are no limits to your creativity. There are no rules. Just have fun and be creative. Let your imagination run wild. If you want, you can even film your show and share it with your friends or family. Spread the joy and laughter. So, what kind of puppet are you going to make? The possibilities are endless, but what sparks your interest? A monster? A scary, silly, or friendly monster? A princess? A regal ruler or an adventurous explorer? Maybe a superhero puppy? Saving the world, one sock puppet show at a time? The possibilities are endless. So get creating! Thanks for hanging out with me and making sock puppets today. I had a blast, and I hope you did too. Don't forget to clean up your craft supplies when you're done. A tidy workspace is a happy workspace. Now, go put on the best puppet show ever. Break a leg, or in this case, break a sock. See you next time. And happy puppeteering!